Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of cluttered workspaces and strained necks from poorly positioned monitors? The ROCKDEER Dual Monitor Stand Riser is here to change that. This innovative product offers a customizable design that can accommodate 2 to 3 monitors, making it ideal for gamers or those who require multiple screens for their work. The adjustable angle and configuration allow for a comfortable viewing experience, and the sturdy wood finish provides a premium feel. When assembling the stand, you'll notice how easy it is to set up, with a simple and tool-free installation process that takes only a few minutes. The rubber skids on the bottom prevent the stand from sliding, giving you a sense of security and stability. The stand also features slots for holding cell phones, pens, and office supplies, keeping your workspace organized and clutter-free. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, praising its versatility and durability. The patented design allows for customization, and the stand can be used as a single unit or separated into 2 or 3 desk shelves. When you place your monitors on the stand, you'll notice the solid feel and the sound of the sturdy wood creaking slightly as you adjust the angle. The result is a comfortable and ergonomic viewing experience that reduces eye strain and improves productivity. In real-life use cases, this product shines, providing a sleek and modern solution for home offices, gaming stations, or professional workspaces. The FSC-certified wood components ensure a sustainable and eco-friendly product that not only benefits your work but also the environment. With its easy assembly, sturdy build, and customizable design, the ROCKDEER Dual Monitor Stand Riser is a game-changer for anyone looking to upgrade their workspace. If you're looking for a reliable and versatile monitor stand, look no further, this product is definitely worth considering. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.